All right, guys, we got a 2021 Ford F-250 6.2 liter gasser. Beautiful truck. We done something special on this one, guys. Let me show you. Factory converters, factory mid resonator right there. He didn't want it too loud. Then we did a Borla ProXS, a single to dual with an X pipe built in right there. And then 2.5-inch tailpipes out the back. We did all this earlier in the year, about maybe 3-4 months ago. Then he brought it back. He's like, I got a special thing for you guys. I want J pipes with double 5-inch tips right there with J pipes. So you see the J pipes on each side to cut down on drone. And then we finished it off nicely with 2 5-inch by 18 dual tips. That's the only truck in Nashville that you'll see with these massive 5-inch tips out the back. That's what he wanted. We give him what he wants. As you guys can see right there. It looks freaking awesome. I love it. There it is right there. We're about to bring it down. Let you guys hear it. Stay tuned. So it didn't change the tone any. You want it louder or you like this tone? We got to change the front because it still has a front resonator on it too. Yeah. So if you do the Valvetronics, make sure you take that front off and put an X pipe in this place. Go ahead. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. I'm at 87, so it's not crazy loud. It's just clean. Go ahead. Yeah. Back it out. Hey, they look good. I like them. Amazing how they sound inside compared to outside. It's a whole different tone outside. Again, if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital and Due West Avenue on Dickerson Pike. Again, let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, guys. F-250, 6.2 liter, XLT with Borla ProXS and quad tips 5-inch out the back. Enjoy it, guys. So it's one of the crazy builds we do here. We're doing an updated video on this one, guys. Ford F-250 was here a couple of weeks ago, and he wanted it a little louder. So let me show you guys what we've done. Cat stayed the same. Resonator stayed the same. But we installed them a cutout right after the resonator, right there. How cutouts work is when it's closed, it goes through the exhaust like normal. When this valve opens, about 70% starts coming out of here, 30% goes through there. All right, so it dumps right there. Okay, that's how an exhaust valve works. Anyways, Borla ProXS, 2.5-inch tailpipes, and then we did custom Y-pipe 6-inch tips out the back before, as you guys can see there. Just badass truck, and he keeps making it more and more badass, which I like. My kind of guy. There it is. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. So this is valves closed right now. Borla ProXS, like nothing happened. That's the best part, you know? Give it gas. You can hear it, it's quiet. Just normal Borla ProXS, beautiful sound. Again. Here's sound decibels on valves closed. Again. Right at 99.2. So that's valves closed. Now we're gonna do valves open. See the difference? Big difference. Get closer. So you can still get air through there. You see that? Go ahead. car, under the truck. Big difference. Again. Close it. And this is where we're gonna close it so you guys see the difference in sound. Go ahead. So it's out the back again. Again. Open it. So that's valve open. Perfect. Yeah, I like it. You approve, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead and back it out. Valve's closed. Go ahead. It's not, you see, it's clean. Again. All right. This is valves open now. Better tone. Here it is here. That's valves open, okay? And here it is over here. Go ahead. So, as you guys can see, it's a huge difference. Much better. Let you guys hear on the inside. Guys, this is with valve open. We have it already with valve closed. So we'll do it with valve open takeoff so you guys can hear the difference. Here we go. Oh yeah, I like that. That's clean.